Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. It is so early, but Leo has an appointment to pick up his passport, and I was like, yesterday's rush hour was really rough, so I'll just get up and go to work a little early. Maybe this way I can leave a little early and then go to bed at like 8 p.m. What time is it?
6:43. Rise and shine.
Yep, look how bright it is outside. Never too early for advent calendar. Alright, we are on day 12. Oh, 11. I never did 11. Oops. It's a little ball again. Nice. 12. And another little ball. Wow.
We thought it would be emptier taking it an hour and a half earlier.
Guys, I think I'm stuck in the elevator. Oh, it's moving again. Downsides to coming to work at 7:30. All these doors are locked. And my fingerprint doesn't work. My office door. The elevator doesn't seem to work. Wow. If there was any sign that I should not come to work early, this is it. No one's here. I finally made it to my desk. Good thing there's cookies. I heard something. I don't know what it is. Alright. See you guys later. I'm gonna go to work now. Alright, I'm done with my day of working. I'm gonna pop back home to up another Vlogmas because I'm still kind of one day behind. And I think Malaysia and Leo wanted to go for drinks, but I'm not sure when or how that timing's gonna work out, so we'll see. Okay, slight change of plans. I'm going to Chick-fil-A to meet Victor there.
I can be in the vlog today. I look really nice. I did my hair this morning. I took a shower. I am on the up and up right now.
Perfect, then you know what segment we're doing.
We're doing Insider Foods. We're back. This is honestly my favorite part of Vlogmas. Hi, we're here with Insider Foods. We're at a little known hole-in-the-wall place called Chick-fil-A. They have this really interesting sauce. It's called Chick-fil-A sauce. They're kind of the best. They also have these really crazy waffle fries. Their signature sandwich is the Chick-fil-A sandwich. I put lettuce and tomato on mine, but you can dress it however you want.
They only have lettuce and tomato as your choice though.
This is not the full service Chick-fil-A.
It's really good. It's lemonade. Yeah. It's a half and half. It's a medical mystery. Daily dose no one knows how it happens. I'm gonna have daily dose of this elephant. Thank you for your chicken. Yes. And I don't have singles. Where are those singles now? Here's a wag bandana. That's okay, I have an extra at my house. No. Yes! Yes! Fly with me. Excuse me, conductor. I need to get to my stop. Looking for a problem. Someone who knows how to ride. He's all his fault. No!
for sure need to work on getting home earlier. But I'm home now, I'm gonna edit and go to sleep. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye bye.